Tonight, millions of Americans could witness one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the sky, the Northern Lights. The mesmerizing aurora borealis is expected to be visible across a large portion of the United States, including as far south as Colorado. This rare event has skywatchers and photographers eagerly preparing for an unforgettable night. So, what's causing the spectacular light show? The Northern Lights occur when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in Earth's atmosphere. These particles are carried by the solar wind, and when they reach our planet, they interact with oxygen and nitrogen high above the surface, creating waves of glowing colors, most often green, pink, and purple. This time, scientists say a strong geomagnetic storm is responsible for pushing the auroras much farther south than usual. Typically, the Northern Lights are visible near the polar regions, like Alaska, Canada, or Scandinavia. But when the sun releases a burst of energy, known as a coronal mass ejection, those charged particles travel quickly toward Earth, intensifying the auroral activity. When this happens, regions much farther south, such as the northern United States, have a chance to see the glow. According to space weather experts, this latest solar event is expected to make the aurora visible in as many as 21 states tonight. Those include Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and New York, and extending southward into states like Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and even parts of Colorado. For residents of Colorado, this is an especially exciting opportunity. The state's high altitude and clear mountain skies often provide ideal viewing conditions for celestial events. If clouds cooperate and light pollution remains low, Coloradans could see faint green or reddish hues dancing near the northern horizon. Areas away from city lights, such as Rocky Mountain National Park, the San Luis Valley, or even the plains near Fort Collins and Greeley, could offer stunning views. The best time to watch will be late in the evening, around midnight to the early morning hours, when the sky is darkest and the geomagnetic activity peaks. Experts recommend checking the northern horizon for any movement or glow, as sometimes the lights can start subtly before brightening into more dramatic waves or streaks across the sky. If you're planning to photograph the Northern Lights, remember to use a tripod and set your camera to a long exposure mode. Most smartphone cameras today have night settings that can capture the faint colors if you stay steady. Patience is key, as the lights can appear and fade quickly, then return again minutes later. It's worth noting that space weather forecasting isn't an exact science. The aurora's visibility depends on several factors, including cloud